We love making this film.
At the far end of England there was a little family that lived in a small red cottage on the hill. One day they went out sailing. Bye guys, have a nice sailing trip and don't fall out of the boat.
We won't, and I'll look after the little one. Bye, Mum.
Sometime later, they came out the harbour. Suddenly, the wind started to blow and the boat sailed across the water very quickly.
Well, what's that, Dad? It's a whale. Well, I never. Wait till I tell your Mum that.
Everything was going fine until the wind stopped. They didn't notice, but they were still having fun.
In the distance, there was a deadly shark swimming up to the boat.
Dad, there's a shark. What are we going to do? Just hang on tight, son.
The shark attacked the boat fiercely.
Dad, where are you? Help, I'm in the water. Help, get me out. I just can't get you, Dad.
As if by magic, the whale lifted up the dad into the boat. Dad was safe at last.
Oh, look at that boat getting attacked by a shark. Let's go down for a closer look. Mum, no!
Mysteriously, the shark swam away from the tiny boat. As quick as a flash, the wind filled the sails and the boat quickly sailed across the shining sea. Dad, that was the worst day of my life. I thought I was going to lose you.
Don't worry, son.
But I was...
Don't say it.
Soon after that, they sailed across the shining water and dreamed about their day. They jumped in the car and drove through the busy city streets.
How long is it to get home, Dad? 10 minutes, son. Soon they came out of the dirty city and into the beautiful countryside.
The car pulled out at the little house on the hill. When they got home, the story made the news.
Everybody settled down to a lovely supper.
Soon it was time for bed.
Will you two get into bed? Way past your bedtime. Good night, Oliver.
Angela, stop doing front flips all over my room. Good night, Dad. Love you.
Good night, son, and thanks for a good day.